ito, since nagtuusapan naman tayo ng showbiz, meron ka bang komento tungkol dito kay Apple David and Chad Gamad?
Well, Sheila, we should celebrate people in love. Mahiwaga ang pag-ibig. Sabi nga nila, but I disagree that love is blind. Love is not blind.
Ano
Love
lang?
can see who the attraction is.
Okay.
Nakikita mo maganda po, gigil, nakikita mo. What is blind is the heart. And once it beats and tells you that the right one may have come along, that's where it happens. Na, di ba? Minsan, how many times sabi sa college pa tayo, high school, na kung may mga, may mga kasintahan yung mga kaklase natin, we always wonder like, ano kaya nakikita ni sa kanya? O, di ba? We always say that. But
Yes.
why can't, instead of asking those questions, why can't we just be so happy for people who are in love? Kung there are places and cultures and countries in the world na pwede nga 6 asawa di ba? Pwede nga 6. And as long as hindi illegal. Chris Gamad is a young kid, he's a young adult, but yun ang key operative word there is adult. He's 18 years old. And base naman sa sinabi ni Apple David, their families are supportive. So if the people who are there, who are emotionally invested, are okay with it, then why shouldn't we be? Diba? Yun ngang sa awitin na, narinig mo ba yun, Sheila? Yung awitin na, I can't say goodbye to you, no matter how I try. There's a lyric there that says, who knows why we choose the ones we choose to love? Who knows why we do the things we do when we're in love? Ganun lang yun Let it, if this is an ever after story, then good for them.
Yes.
If this is not an ever after story, then you learn. Kasi life is about learning. Life is about exploring. So, lahat ng mga netizens na nakisawsaw na ginagamit yung mga derogatory terms na predator, na grooming, na look, there are relationships na, di ba, na as a parent myself, Sheila, we always hope na, we leave our children left to their own devices. Now, hopefully, they make the right decisions. And then when they choose their partners, we hope na makakita ka ng mabait, matino, emotionally stable. And then if I am the parent of Chris Gamad, what better partner? I mean, she may be older, yes, but emotionally stable, financially stable, may trabaho, di ba? Gusto mo ba na walang trabaho na pakakainin mo lang? Right? So that's my take there na supportive ako kay Apple David. Come on, if you're a cougar, wow, bite me. I don't care, di ba? Kung sasabihin, and to me also, Sheila, this is a story that is a reflection of the double standard, di ba? Kung lalaki ang matanda, tapos ang babae beauty queen, people will be like,
may komento din ng mga tao. Pero Sir Homer, sa sitwasyon
ang komento, yes, go ahead.
Sa sitwasyon
Pero ang
ni
komento,
Apple,
yes, go ahead.
alam mo naman ng mga netizens, sinasabi nila, yung trabaho, yung nature ng work ni Apple, yung credibility niya as a courtside reporter, may effect daw yun sa ganitong relasyon niya.
Number one, there's no conflict of interest. She does not cover the NCAA. Nasa PBA siya. Then let's just say ma-PBA si Chris Gamad 2-3 years from now, then all she has to do is recuse herself to covering a game na nandun si Chris, because then obviously she would have a rooting interest on the team. Pero dito wala. I mean, people need to compartmentalize. It is the same thing that happened to Michael Jackson. You have to separate the person from the personality. He was a musician. I love him with Beat It, Thriller, yung galing ni Michael Jackson. May mga rumors na, yung personal life niya, I could care less. I love him as hindi naman tayo we are not all role models.
Yes.
When I watch Apple David on TV, or I ask the beautiful and impossibly gorgeous Sheila Salaysay on TV, I do not judge their love lives. Di ba? I just watch them like, galing ni Sheila, very, yung reporting niya ngayon sa PNBF at saka PSC na volleyball. Ganda, funding, ganun, and why it's happening. With Apple David naman, I like the way she moderates the press conference. I like her reporting concept. I could care less about her person. Hindi naman, when we need advice about our love lives, do we go ask Apple David? Do we ask you? No. So, hindi relevant sa akin na PBA reporter siya, tapos itong love life niya. Both are separate. So, yun lang. Hindi natin, like I said, why not go for happiness? Why do we have to hate? Kasi, sa mga vloggers dyan, yung mga marites dyan, mas madali kasi it's very easy to hate because you don't need anything but a keyboard. Love needs nurturing. Love needs caring. Diba? So yun, kaya mas madali ang hating kaysa loving. But me, Sheila, I choose to love every day. Kaya wala akong problema kay Apple David. It's not a forbidden apple.
Yes,
This
yun naman
is a
talagang
good
dapat,
rate,
Sir
yeah.
Homer, di ba? We have to be
Yes.
kind and, as much as possible, di ba, just supportan na lang.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Abante, sundan kami sa aming mga social media accounts at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel, DWAR Abante Radio, para sa mga eksklusibong balita.